Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to do versioning and why is it important. In the professional realm, imagine receiving a task from your boss, perhaps to create a report or a presentation. After diligently working on it, you encounter a few obstacles, such as AI detection issues or slightly off formatting. Naturally, your superior requests a corrected version of the report. Now, they specify a crucial detail: each version of the report should be tracked, and the file names must reflect this. For instance, the initial file is labeled v1_your file name, and with each subsequent change, it progresses to v2_ file name, and so forth. This versioning system is essential for keeping a clear record of modifications and ensuring that files are not lost. Additionally, when submitting the updated task, it's crucial to maintain the continuity of the email thread rather than initiating a new one. This practice helps streamline communication and keeps all relevant information in one consolidated thread. Thank you. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comments section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.